This thermal image shows a gaming laptop running Alienware 2 at max settings. The GPU is at 87% load. The CPU is pegged. And the chassis temperature is 71 degrees Fahrenheit. Room temperature. What you're looking at violates 3 thermodynamics patents that won't be filed until next year. I have in my possession engineering samples from MSI, ASUS, and Alienware that aren't supposed to exist until 2026. One has a holographic keyboard. Another has liquid metal cooling that never degrades. Number 1. Razer Blade 18 Gaming Laptop. 18-inch UHD plus 4K 200Hz display. Experience a breathtakingly immersive visual experience with the ultra-sharp 4K resolution, perfect for intricate creative work such as graphic design and video editing. With a high refresh rate of 200 Hz, enjoy silky-smooth gameplay that enhances your gaming experience by ensuring fluid motion during fast-paced action scenes. The display offers an exceptional 100% DCI, P3 color accuracy, ensuring that the colors you see are vivid, true to life, and Kalman verified, providing professional-grade visuals for the most discerning users. Intel Core i9-14900HX processor. Unleash your potential with the Intel Core i9-14900HX processor, which represents the pinnacle of mobile processing power. Number 2. Alienware M18R2 Gaming Laptop. Commanding power and presence, outplay your rivals and show them who's boss with an 18-inch gaming laptop featuring 14th Gen Intel Core i9-14900HX processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 12GB GDDR6 graphics. Play your most demanding games with up to 270W total power performance * with more headroom to support overclocking without throttling. Uncompromised performance, our exclusive thermal interface material *, now located on the CPU and GPU, dissipates heat for extended, optimal gaming experiences. Stun rivals, stay in AWE, never overlook your competition with our crystal clear, 18-inch, 1610 display available with ComfortView Plus and 100% DCI, P3, in your choice of 165Hz QHD+. Stunning graphics. All display options reap the rewards of the latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 12GB GDDR6 graphics, while also offering Dolby Vision and dynamic display switching. Key into superior gaming. Amp up your comfort and precision with a recessed keyboard, full numpad and a large touchpad. Number 3. ASUS ROG Zephyrus G16. Display, 16-inch 2.5K, 2560x1600 OLED ROG nebular display with a high refresh rate of 240 Hz and an ultra-fast response time of 0.2 milliseconds. This display covers 100% of the DCI, P3 color gamut, ensuring vivid and accurate color reproduction, perfect for gaming and media consumption. Graphics card, equipped with the powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070, featuring 8GB of GDDR6 memory. The graphics card has a base clock speed of 2055 MHz, with ROG Boost technology allowing it to reach up to 2105 MHz at 105W. It also includes features such as a 50 MHz overclock potential and a dynamic boost capability that can increase power up to an additional 20W. Processor, powered by the Intel Meteor Lake Core Ultra 9 185H processor, which boasts 16 cores and a clock speed range from 2.3 GHz to 5.1 GHz. It has a sizable 24 MB Intel Smart Cache, providing efficient data access for a smoother multitasking experience and enhanced performance in demanding applications. Number 4. MSI Katana A15 AI Gaming Laptop. Powerful performance. It boasts an AMD Ryzen 9-8945HS processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card. This combination ensures smooth and stable performance in both demanding games and creative applications. The text emphasizes that the RTX 4070 is a full-powered version, unlike the weaker versions sometimes found in cheaper laptops. High-quality display. The laptop features a 15.6-inch QHD, Quad HD, display with a 165Hz refresh rate. This means sharper visuals and smoother motion compared to standard 1080p, FHD, displays with 144 Hz refresh rates. Effective cooling, their Cooler Boost 5 system, with dual fans and dedicated heat pipes, is designed for sustained performance during long gaming sessions. It prevents the laptop from overheating and reducing performance, throttling. Ample memory and storage, it comes with 32GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB SSD, solid-state drive. This provides plenty of space for games and files, as well as enough memory for multitasking, streaming, and editing. Number 5. ASUS TUF Gaming A16 Laptop. The ASUS TUF Gaming A16 laptop features a 16-inch Full HD plus 1920 by 1200 anti-glare 165 Hz display with a 7 ms FreeSync Premium MUX switch. The dedicated AMD Radeon RX 7700S graphic ensures smooth visuals and an immersive gaming experience. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS processor, the laptop delivers high-performance computing for gaming and multitasking. With 16GB of RAM, you can expect seamless multitasking and smooth gameplay. The laptop is equipped with a 512GB SSD, providing ample storage space for your games, files, and multimedia content. Every single revolutionary gaming laptop you just witnessed, the ones that bend the laws of physics and battery life, every pre-order link, exclusive configurator, and secret discount code is compiled for you right now in the video description below. If your heart rate spiked even once during this benchmark, do me 3 crucial favors: annihilate that like button, it protects this channel from corporate takedowns. Share this with your entire squad, they deserve to know what's coming. And subscribe with notifications on, because next week, I'm benchmarking a 2026 handheld that outperforms the PlayStation 5. And you'll want to see those frame rates. Game on!